Hi, I'm Cheri with my girlfriend's quilt shop, and we're going to show you the buttons on the front of your Brother Stellaire 2. We're going to start with our start-stop button. Right here you can see it's red. That means that something's wrong and I'm not able to use it. If I look over at my screen, I can go into the sewing section and my button turns green and I'm ready to go. I can use that to start and stop sewing without a foot pedal, or I can use it on my embroidery. The next button is the reverse button. I use it to backstitch while I'm sewing. This next button is the reinforcement stitch. It will stitch up and down a few times in place and then stop. Our next button is the needle position button. This will lower or raise your needle. The next one is the thread cutter button. This is one of my favorite features. I just push on that and my thread is cut exactly at the right spot. Our next button is the presser foot lift button. This will lower and raise your presser foot. Sometimes this might be the reason your machine is not ready to sew. Our next is a slide lever that's for your sewing speed control. This is great when you want to go fast, or maybe you have a tricky part or a new sewer and it's time to slow it down. The last button we're going to talk about is the automatic thread button, and this is going to be one of your favorite features. Just one touch and you can thread your machine. That's all the buttons on the front of your machine. Happy sewing!